Hello and welcome to the weather review for December 2013. The data used for the review is from my own weather station based in the village of Sutton-in-Craven, between the towns of Skipton and Keighley in North Yorkshire. The station is approximately 141 metres above sea level. Some notes about the review and data used. The acronym SRB may be used, which stands for Since Records Began, which in most cases is in relation to my own data. Daily maximum and minimum temperature data started in 2002, monthly rainfall data in September 1996, and daily rainfall data in June 2003. I will be comparing my own records and averages to the local Met Office weather station, which is based in Bingley, West Yorkshire. This is approximately 9 miles away. Let's first take a look at the temperature data for December 2013. The graph shows the daily maximum temperature in red and daily minimum temperature in blue. First impressions indicate a mild month. There is not much variation in the maximum temperatures. The yellow line shows the average maximum temperature from the Bingley Met Office station at 6 degrees Celsius. There were just 5 days below this temperature and 11 days above 8 degrees Celsius. The yellow line now shows the average minimum temperature from the Bingley Met Office station at 1 degree Celsius. There were 12 days above and also below this temperature. More telling is that there were only 5 days where the minimum temperature went below 0 degrees Celsius and 2 days where it matched the average maximum temperature of 6 degrees Celsius. Now let's take a look at the month in numbers for the temperature data. The highest maximum temperature was 10 degrees Celsius, which is on par with previous maximums for December. The lowest minimum temperature was -4 degrees Celsius, the warmest we have seen since 2006. The average maximum temperature was 6.8 degrees Celsius, the warmest since records began in 2002, beating 6.7 degrees Celsius of 2006. This is nearly 1 degree Celsius above the Met Office average for Bingley. The average minimum temperature was 1.3 degrees Celsius, the warmest since 2006, and was slightly warmer than the Met Office average for Bingley of 1 degree Celsius. The average temperature for December 2013 is 4 degrees Celsius, half a degree warmer than the Met Office average. This is the 4th warmest December since records began, and the warmest is 2006 at 4.9 degrees Celsius. The table compares temperature data over the last 5 years and shows how mild December 2013 has been. Now we shall look at the rainfall data for December 2013. Viewing the graph, which shows daily rainfall totals in millimetres. The first few days of the month were dry, but from the 5th of December, the first in a sequence of Atlantic storms hit the country. The daily totals were not that high compared to previous years, with the wet month coming from the combined effect of numerous wet days. 9 days saw a total of 10 millimetres or more, which adds up to a good proportion of the month's average rainfall. This, along with 16 other wet days, has created an overall wet December. Between the 12th and 25th, we saw 14 consecutive wet days of rain, which brought 100 millimetres of rain. This is the second most consecutive days of rain for the year of 2013. The total rainfall for December 2013 was 176.5 millimetres, 50 millimetres more than the station's average and 75.5 millimetres more than the Met Office average for Bingley. So December 2013 was a very wet month, but how does it compare to previous years? December 2013 was the 6th wettest December since records began in 1996, with 1999 being the wettest with 242 millimetres. There is quite the difference between the top 6 wettest months compared to the next wettest in 7th spot at 52.5 millimetres drier. Another interesting point is that the last 3 years, from 2011 to 2013, have all seen at least 175 millimetres of rain, something that has not been seen for any other month. There were 25 wet days in December 2013, the most since December 2011, which had 29 wet days. This is 10 days more than the Met Office average of 15 wet days in December. On average, there was 7 millimetres of rain per wet day in the month of December 2013. In conclusion, December 2013 was a mild and wet month. The average maximum temperature was the highest on record, and it was the 6th wettest month on record. If you have any questions about the review, please leave a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you. Until next time, thank you for watching.